What if I told you the hardest part of making money online could be completely eliminated? The constant struggle of setting up a website, getting traffic, figuring out ads. It's exhausting. But imagine an app that does it all for you. The website, the traffic, even driving free buyers to your door without you lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's what John thought too. But within 2 hours of using Litmus, he made his first $100 online. That's how easy it is to get started with Litmus. In less than 30 seconds, Litmus builds a stunning, fully functioning affiliate website tailored to any niche, from scratch, done for you. But here's the crazy part. Litmus doesn't just build it, it fills it with buyers, real people, who click and buy, on autopilot. That's right, Litmus automatically generates targeted traffic that actually converts. And when you make a sale, more traffic flows in, more sales, more profits. This isn't some hope it works method, it's a looping profit engine. Sales generate more traffic, which generates more sales, again and again. And don't take my word for it. People just like you are jumping in and seeing results fast. I had zero experience with affiliate marketing, but in my first day, Litmus drove traffic to my website and I made my first sale. I didn't even know how to set up a website. Litmus did it for me. Now, I'm earning money every day. Litmus is an all-in-one system that anyone can use. You don't need to worry about building a website, managing traffic, or dealing with complicated software. In fact, Litmus does everything, from creating your website to driving real buyers straight to it, and even building that profit-generating loop that keeps paying you again and again. All you have to do is pick your niche, let the app work its magic, and watch as buyers flow in. It's just that simple. No ads, no tech skills required. Just your niche, your profits, and Litmus to do the rest. And the best part? You can track your results right from the app, see real-time profits, monitor your traffic, and adjust effortlessly. Want to take it further? With Litmus, you get full commercial rights. Turn this into a full-fledged business. Sell your website or offer services to clients, all while keeping 100% of the profit. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, I'd like to introduce you to Litmus, world's first app that generates AI-powered affiliate websites and then drives thousands of buyers' clicks in less than 30 seconds. Even if you never made a penny online before, let me show you how easy it is to use Litmus. Step 1. Generate. Just enter your niche and click Generate. All it takes is 30 seconds. Step 2. Traffic. Turn on our AI traffic sucker to generate endless traffic with AI precision. Step 3. Profit. Now relax and watch Litmus looping commissions 24/7 on your behalf. Every time we create a new website, we wake up to money like this. It doesn't matter what kind of experience you have, we removed all that. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Litmus, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Litmus was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So, with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Litmus for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Litmus. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling Litmus if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new members. The good news is, we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So, after we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So, if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. Still not sure? That's okay. You've got nothing to lose. Try Litmus for a full 30 days. If it doesn't work for you, we'll give you your money back. No questions asked. Ready to start earning without the hassle? Click below and get access to Litmus right now. Start your profit loop today and see how easy it is to make money with zero experience.